White boy got that Camino.
You know?
The Camino, he's got that glass.
It went anyway, didn't it?
What's that?
The thing fell up front.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Did it really?
Yeah. I leaned on it, you leaned on it, and it went. I just cut this giant hole for absolutely
No, you wanted it to look cool like that side too. You still need to cut more here.
Come on. Alright, it needs to go in because it needs to go a lot closer. I mean, it's gonna work. Ah, shit. Fuel filter's figured out. Haven't installed it yet, but it should be pretty easy to install. I got a couple of P-clamps. I'm just gonna drill some holes and nut and bolt it to the body. We're really, really close to just starting on the sliders and really getting that going. Sitting underneath the camera right now is one of the pieces. I put that at the beginning of this video as a little teaser, because I have started working on it already, but mostly just to take a break from this, because this shit gets tedious, man. This is a lot of work. I have mixed up a test of the paint that I got. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I will in this video. I will leave just the slightest teaser, but I did get all of it. It's all here, and I don't love it. That's a problem. I don't know what to do about it. I don't love it. I don't even like it. I'm pretty unhappy with it, actually. There is ways around that. Once you know what I have going on, it's really easy to change directions. Once you see it, it'll make sense how easy it is to change it. But if I said any more, if I said why it's easy to change it or what's easy to change about it, it would probably spoil it for anybody out there who's a painter. But also the little hint that I leave in this video will spoil it as well. I'll probably black and white it still so you don't see the color, but you'll get a really good sense of what the truck's going to look like even without seeing the color. That right there should be a hint. So the doors on both sides, that corner on the other side, and the metalwork, the sheet metal work on the truck is done. Then I still have 2 sliders to do, cap some stuff in the front, and then sand down, prep, paint, clear, sand, clear again, polish, reassemble. Fuck. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And leave a comment.